Hi everyone and welcome. I celebrated my birthday not so long ago and I surprisingly received this beautiful watch from my parents as a gift. The CASIO MDV-107 or CASIO Duro is the watch that I wanted since I discovered its existence more than a couple of years ago, when the previous version, the MDV-106, was the one available. I think I remember talking with my father about this watch a few months before my birthday, because he already has one for himself, so both my parents decided it would make the perfect gift. Spoiler alert, it definitely is. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is nothing special, it's a cardboard, very cheap looking box. Inside we find the watch itself fixed on this soft pillow, a user's guide, a warranty card and other informative material, a pretty standard and essential content. Now let's take a closer look at the watch. It has a mineral glass, so I've already applied a tempered glass protector because I really don't want to risk having any type of mark or scratch on it. I know I could modify it with a sapphire glass, but it's a present, a good memory, so I'd like to keep it original and as good as possible. By the way, if you're interested in the tempered glass protector, you can easily find it on AliExpress. I paid something like $5 with shipping included for 3 pieces, a reasonable price. Installation was extremely easy. Just peel off the unnecessary film and use the included suction cap to position it on the watch itself. I'm really happy with the result because it's barely noticeable, seems pretty oleophobic and it's giving me the impression of having a more clear watch face. If you own a CASIO Duro and you don't feel like opening it and change the glass, I definitely recommend this solution. Let's move on with some specifications. It has a quartz movement, number 2784. The officially declared accuracy is plus/minus 20 seconds per month. Battery life should be approximately 3 years on a SR626 SW. This is the kind of watch you can definitely count on. Precise and always ready to go. Water resistance is 200 meter and of course it has a screw lock crown. It feels okay trading in and also untreading. Now that it is unlocked, we can pull it in its first position to set the date. We can pull the crown all the way out and set the time. Also, as you can see, the second hand stops, so this movement is hackable. As stated on the official website, it has an anti-reverse bezel, so as you can see, there's no real play going the other direction. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed by its quality. It's solid and it is very well aligned with the rest of the watch. Let's make some measurements. The case diameter is 44 mm across. Lug to lug is 49 mm. The case thickness is 12.7 mm. Just remember that in my case I also have a tempered glass protector that adds something like 0.3 mm. The lug width is 22 mm. Weight is about 93 grams. The MDV-107 is equipped with a pretty standard resin band. Spoiler alert, it's definitely something that I will upgrade as soon as possible. But I have to be honest, the material feels good. Soft on the skin, comfortable on the wrist. The buckle is stainless steel. Looking at the back of the watch, there's nothing much to see. It's a simple screw lock back. Now let's do a wrist test. My wrist is 17 cm or 6.2 1.7 inch, and the lug-to-lug measurement, as we saw previously, is 49 mm. It is a very legible watch. If we take a closer look, we can see the details of the dial. It's clean and nicely done. I see no particular imperfection. The second hand hits all the markers from 6 to 12, but then it starts to get misaligned. Nothing crazy, definitely not a deal breaker to me, but it's something worth sharing. It has lume and it is surprisingly good, well distributed, strong, and it lasts a good amount of time. I definitely saw way worse lume on a lot of more expensive watches. In conclusion, I really like this watch, and I think it's definitely worth the price tag of $70 or around 80 euros. I know that in my case it was a gift, but I was going to buy it anyway. And don't forget about discounts. You can always wait for the right time of the year and get it for maybe $50 or something similar. A real steal. Honestly, I think Casio is maybe the only watch brand able to deliver so much watch for such little price. Quality is great. I love the stainless steel polish case. Overall, it looks and feels like a much more expensive watch. Reliability is huge. I mean, we're talking about Casio. These watches are basically indestructible. This cheap little quartz movement is ready for anything. Right now, I cannot think of something that I really dislike about this watch. Seriously. The only thing that I will upgrade, as I said before, is this resin band, just out of curiosity. This watch is perfectly usable as it is out of the box. But let me know in the comments section down below if you're interested in a video update with this type of upgrade. For now, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.